Hello everyone. In this video, topic is session management using sessions in PHP. Okay, just like cookie, session is also global variable in PHP. So now in this technique of handling session management, we are going to create and destroy session using which we can keep track of session. So first of all, there is this is my page session1.php. okay, now whenever you want to manage your session using session technique, okay, so for that purpose the first line of your code, the first method is session. You can see this session start, that is the method. Okay, this is the first line of your code in every page. Okay, you have to start your session by calling this function. Okay, so this function will start session. Now after that, if I want to maintain my session using this technique, I have to define some variable. Okay, so now let's set session variable. Okay, so how can we set variable? So for that purpose I have to use $_. Now you can see that there is one. Okay, to take this one, inside this session, in double quote, you have to mention variable name of your session. For example, subject1. Okay, and let me assign value as PHP. Okay, now after that I am going to create another session variable, not server, it's session. Okay, subject2 is equals to, let's say, Java. Okay, so we have set our session. Okay, and I'm just going to print this statement, echo session variable is set. Okay, now execute this statement, execute this program actually. Okay, now inside this our page name is session1. Okay, you can see this, we got our message, session variable is set. Okay, now you can see that this is the portion where we have start our session. Okay, using session start method, and in this page we have assigned values to this session variable. Okay, what is name of variable? Subject1 and subject2. Okay, now just see this is my session2.php. okay, and inside this PHP file I am going to access that variable that we have declare and assign value over here. Okay, so whenever you are dealing with session, first statement of your code is always session start. Okay, now over here in this file I am going to print this this session variable. Okay, so how can I do that? Echo. Okay, I can also use print statement over here. Okay, for that purpose you just need to simply call like this, save this. Okay, what is name of my file? Session2.php. okay, so I am just going to change its name, session2.php, and you can see that we got our session variable. You can see the subject1, that is PHP, subject2, that is Java. Okay, if I want to print this individually, then also I can do that. Okay, first session variable is, okay, is set. It is subject1 and value is $_ session. What is name of your variable? That is subject1. okay, you can see that over here it is subject1. okay, and refresh this. okay, first session variable is subject1 and value is, you can see this, we got our value, that is PHP. okay, if I just copy paste this line, Control C, Control V, but I have to use break over here. okay, and this is my second session variable, that is subject2, and over here I have to pass sub2. refresh and you can see that we got our variable with its value. okay, now if I want to modify this this session variable, okay, so I can do that using simply assign another word. okay, for example let's say .NET. okay, now if I want to, now if you refresh this page session2, then it will not change will not be reflected in this page. okay, because you are modifying this sections in session1.php file. so first you have to execute this. okay, and now you access this file session2.php, then you can see this name is modified. okay, so after that, this is all about how to session start, how to assign variable to this session. okay, now if I want to unset this variable, okay, so how can I do that? Simple make one call, that is session unset. okay, so what does this method do? Simple, it will unset all the session variable. okay, so this is the function that is called. okay, now this method has this method unset all the variables. but if I want to destroy my session, okay, I want to destroy my session itself, so how can I do that? Using session session destroy method. simple. okay, and this destroy the session. okay, now before this I am just going to print this over here just to explain you. okay, it will be blank. Whenever we have previously print this statement, we were getting our values, that is PHP.NET subject1, PHP subject2, Java, like that. okay, but after unset, after this function calling, if I will print this, then you can see this what we are getting. okay, this is session2.php. we have saved this file, yes, and session is not destroyed. okay, this is my session2.php and we were working on session1.php. okay, session variable is like that. Save this change, execute it. okay, now you can see this, we got statement like this, session variable is set, but whenever we have set actually, but after that we call this function unset and session were destroyed. now let me make it more clear. Print. okay, after that echo break. simple. now you can just see this session variable set, this is after setting my variable subject1 PHP subject2.net. Now this is after unset or after session after unsetting all the session variable. Okay, now this is my session is destroyed. Okay, now if I access over here, now you can see this, just see this. Okay, now it is undefined index subject1 and subject2. Why? Because over here in this session2.php, okay, it will not recognize any subject1 and subject2, because in this page we have destroyed our session and we have executed it. Okay, that's why it is not, it is undefined. Okay, so this is how we can use session for session tracking. Okay, bye bye.